Professor Dumbledore, sir. Professor McGonagall.
All right, let me bake a Harry Potter themed cake. Not in cream there. It's gonna be a tiny cake because I'm planning to have it in this little box because it's the only box I found to transport it to the birthday party of my sister because that's why I'm doing this. I'm baking a cake for her. I don't have much in terms of tools to actually bake a proper cake, but I do have this thing here. Put this in a bowl. That's ingredients. Yeah, pick this one for two reasons. One, because my sister likes the movies and she kind of mentioned that she would love this kind of cake. And two, because Hagrid did deliver Harry to his aunt and uncle with the bike. He brought the little baby in a Triumph, which he borrowed from Sirius. And I thought, I also ride a Triumph, so why not do the Hagrid part, bake the cake that also Hagrid baked for his 11th birthday, and do the same for my sister.
Got something for you. Afraid I might have sat on it at some point, but I imagine it'll taste fine just the same. Baked it myself, words and all.
The sugar, this will be not ideal. You know what? Why not use the best mixing tool there is? My hands. Yes, look at that. Now we can get the mixing. Oh. And now on medium to high speed, eh? Look, we do medium speed here. Looks pretty smooth to me. What do you think? Here we have this. Now we mix this and this together. I don't think this bowl is big enough. You know what? I'ma just put this in this here. Yeah. Just mix it together. It looks not too bad. And I imagine that Hagrid did it exactly as I did it. But he managed. And in that spirit, we will manage too. Now the next step is the coffee. Make that real quick. I did not prepare that. So we'll just set this aside for a moment. How much do we need? 120 ml of coffee. Well, say no more. We do have the tools. Let's just rinse it. Coffee. So I guess it's baking time. Good coffee. Look at that. Beautiful. So 33 minutes. A little less than 100. Let's see how the end result will look.